Good evening guys, Blender Modeling here, and today I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial about textures and texture mapping. Starting off with the standard scene and going to drag another screen into it and switching this screen into a image editor or UV screen. Something like this. I'm going to select a cube and get a material on it. Oops, I should enable my screencast. There we go. And get a color into it. And I want the color to be an image texture. I'm going to search for my texture I got, something like clams, and in the UV screen I'm also going to select the same texture. There we go. Now I'm going to press Tab to go into edit mode and press A to select everything, and I'm going to unwrap it. You see, here we get the cube, and if we switch to texture mode we see the clams displayed on the cube. To change the view here, you see the actual texture and render will change along with it. Quite nice. But what if we want to do more? We want to give every side another texture. Then we can use the UV project. This gives every side of the cube another texture. And then we go just select one part of the cube. This view we're going to select and we're going to drag it out. Shell. Let's enable texture view. So here you go. You see one selected, and we can do another one. Just drag it around and you can see what you're doing, really. If you're looking at the left side here, you see, hey, I'm modeling it. Boom. There we go. But what happens if we go to the gray area? Then we'll just move to this part. So if you slide along, just move and move and move. Never stops. Another way to do it is going to the project from view bounds. You'll see the way I look to it now here will also be the way I look to it in this UV screen. So when I press 7 to go to the top view mode, and use project view or from view bounds if you want to fit the image you're unwrapping on, you see I just got the texture on it automatically, but the sides are not having any texture. If I want the sides to have a texture, press 3 to go into a side view and just deselect all and select only this side of the cube. Press U, project from view bounds, boom, there we go again with another side. And I can also do this side. It's quite easy to get a texture on it and to model it, so you get just one clam on this side and a lot of clams on the top side, like this. This is how to make your own texture using texture maps. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you back in the next tutorial.